I will show you how to block distracting websites on Chrome and save your time and energy. So first of all, you need to install a Chrome extension called Block Websites on Chrome. I'll provide a link in the description of this video. And let's do it. So the extension is added and we need to activate it according to the instruction. So it's activated and now we can add any websites to block. We have this button, add websites to block. And also you can open this page using this button. For example, I want to block a YouTube because I watch a lot of YouTube videos. So here's YouTube. It can be opened. And now I'm going to add it here. So it's added. And now if I close this page and try to open YouTube, it can be opened. So using this extension, you could add any distracting websites and save your time. That's it.